Ever wondered if a top-tier motherboard could have a surprising downside? Stick around to find out. The MSI MEG Z890 Ace exudes a premium aesthetic with its sleek black finish and subtle gold accents, appealing to both gamers and professionals. Its robust ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, while the meticulously designed layout facilitates efficient cable management and airflow. Standout features include support for Intel's latest Arrow Lake processors, ensuring top-tier performance for demanding applications. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and a 10GB eLAN port guarantees ultra-fast and reliable networking, catering to users who require seamless online experiences. With 5 M2 slots including 2 PCIe 5.0 slots, the motherboard offers extensive storage options, allowing for rapid data access and ample space for large files. The advanced 24+2+1+1 VRM power phase design provides stable power delivery, making it ideal for overclocking enthusiasts seeking to push their systems to the limit. However, the premium feature comes at a cost. Priced at $600, the Ace is a significant investment, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious builders. Additionally, its extensive feature set might be more than what casual users require, potentially leading to underutilization of its capabilities. In terms of value for money, the motherboard justifies its price with a comprehensive suite of high-end features and exceptional build quality. For those seeking a top-of-the-line motherboard that delivers on performance and future-proofing, the Ace stands out as a compelling choice. For the latest offers and to check current pricing, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: high price point. Potential overkill for casual users. Pros: supports latest Intel processors. Advanced networking capabilities. Extensive storage options. Robust power delivery for overclocking. Premium build quality. To explore the MSI MEG Z890 Ace further, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video for more tech reviews and insights.